If you're interested in air conditioning or heating in Ucaipa, Moreno Valley, then I really would urge you to take a look at the following information on the video. Nothing upsets me more than when somebody receives an unsatisfactory installation. I'm Jeff Sanborn, and I absolutely do not want you to be one of those people. I can guarantee that you will never be taken advantage of, even if you never buy anything from me at all. Everyone winds up with the same issues and challenges in their homes. We have developed 7 different reports, and there may be more for you to take a look at, including a free in-home energy analysis, which you may do yourself. It will give you some information as to what requirements you're faced with in your own home. This will keep you from being taken advantage of by any salesperson. Simply sign up and you will receive this information free immediately. You will be receiving a confirmation email. On that email will be a link. The reason for that link is so that nobody can play a trick on you. Simply click on the link. The information you signed up for will be sent to you immediately. And once again, I'd like to thank you for visiting with us.